To enable bubble notification for Samsung Messages app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to set floating notification to bubbles. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap advanced setting. Tap floating notification and then select bubbles. Next, you have to set Samsung Messages app to show incoming messages from all senders as bubble. To do so, go to the app screen. Find Samsung Messages app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the app name. And then long tap Samsung Messages app icon. Tap the app info icon. Under privacy section, tap notification. Scroll down the screen. Tap notification categories. Tap show as bubbles. And then select all. By doing this, when you receive a new text message, you will see a floating icon of the messages sender. Tap the icon to view the conversation in bubble view. So you can quickly view and respond to the message. To change back the conversation from bubble view to floating icon, tap another area on the screen. If you want to close the bubble, drag the sender floating icon to the remove icon at the bottom of the screen like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.